It sounds like you've been going through some changes lately. But as... What is it?
Barney Fife.
Barney Fife?
You gotta nip it in the bud.
I think so, yeah, that's right, okay.
Barney Fife. Like five, but with a fuck.
Barney Fife, right?
Barney Fife.
Okay.
Exactly like it's spelled.
Got it. It sounds like you've been going through some changes lately. But as Barney Fife used to say, you've got to nip it in the bud.
Chat. You ready? Oh, should I read the wrong thing?
Here's the Quran. I got it for you. Come on.
I got a cooler one. I have a bigger one that has Quran written all across front.
I know, but you're gonna be falling and stuff.
Dude, you breathe.
Not that great. But I'm used to cosplaying as Cobra Commander, so.
Oh, Jesus. Be the Lion King. You know the Lion King?
Yeah. But I don't know the song.
That would be super funny, actually, right?
Shinda. Say it.
It's like I'm just making up the song.
Shinda Andue. Shinda Andue.
Guys, we ready?
Shinda.
You might have only one shot at this.
Yeah, we're ready.
I don't know if I can take another hit.
Alright.
I'm gonna flip this over towards us.
We're doing that while you set up. Because it looks real,
yeah, we're gonna show you up places right now.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Look right in the camera. Ready?
Yep.
Set. We good? Because I'm about to start talking. Are we both good? That means yes.
Yes.
Okay. This is the final vlog of the Halal Heroes. For the past 30 days, Allah has been transforming us from pig-eating kuffar into warriors for Islam. By the time you see this video, we will be in Jannah. And the Robert Spencer cartoon clowns will all be dead. The fire of Allah has been... I can't read this.
Yeah, I can't read these either. Good Lord.
The fire... Oh. I don't feel good.
So, do you think we should go kill Robert Spencer without him?
No! We started this mission 30 days ago, and we will finish it together. We will not leave Dennis behind. Let's take him to the Jew doctor.
I messed it up. I didn't know you got... I thought you were seriously couldn't breathe.
It's fine if you said that.
He said it like...
Because I took my
No, I know.
mask out
He
too.
said it out of character. That was one of the lines he said he was going to say. Bro, you're holding that knife. Like,
I was like,
Fine if you said it, right?
yeah, he's like, good Lord, I can't breathe either.
I was like, dude, I feel you. I can't breathe in this either. So I said I pulled my thing down.
Freeze. No, we need a close up. Don't move. Get it close. Get an extreme close up.
I got one. Let me focus. Good to go.
Guys, hold on. You need a picture.
No. No. All right here, and then tell us when to go again, and we're gonna start keep moving in, and then the vocab freak out and go to the backpack. Ready?
Rolling.
Backpack! Backpack! Is there any way my friends can get out of this?